welcome back to my channel. This is Marie here with Sunshine's Original, and this is going to be a two-fold video. One, it's that time again. It is giveaway time. I am one subscriber away on my YouTube channel, this channel, from being at 200. Okay, so first, the giveaway announcement, and second, what is new in my shop. So before I get into the giveaway announcement, I do want to show y'all what is new in my shop, because the giveaway announcement, yeah, just bear with me here. All right, so first, what is new in my shop? Some romantic roses with ephemera. Okay, and I'm showing y'all this first because there is a reason. There is a method to my madness. I did print these out in 5x7s, but I made them large enough for 8.5 by 11. Just, again, I have a reason. There's a reason. I love my new printables. Love them, love them. They're so romantic. They're so soft, so feminine. And I cannot wait to use them, and I have an idea. Oh. Oh, that is just so sweet and so pretty. You know, I say that like I didn't create it. Oh, I created that. I know what it looks like. Romantic Roses kit now available in my Etsy shop. I just think that is just, it's so pretty. Y'all bear with me. I want to show y'all all of these. There are people that will want them to be able to create with them, and I want to show it all. This piece I actually added a love letter to. It starts off with "My darling, what a morning." And I just thought that was so pretty and so sweet and romantic. So you get 11 pages, digital pages. Where's my little ones? Over there. Are those it? I love that bicycle. To me, that's just romance. So pretty. Yeah, here they are. Okay, so y'all saw my tags because it also comes with a little bit of ephemera. So I have my tags here. And then I printed these out on 5x7s because of my idea that I have. Look at those cute stamps. I love it. Okay. So as y'all will see, I also have my pink lace kit here. For those of y'all that did not see it before, this is my pink lace kit, also available in my Etsy shop. And I printed out a coffee dyed bag too. I coffee dyed this bag and printed one of the images out on here. Again, there is a reason, and I don't fully know exactly what I'm doing for the giveaway, but I have an idea and I wanted to share that with y'all. So I do know that I'm going to create a journal, and that journal is going to consist at least of my pink romance, my pink romantic roses papers, and my pink lace papers, and the ephemera as well. I decided I wanted it to be soft, feminine, and fabulous, and it's going to be. So what are the rules in order to enter? You must be a follower. If you are and you want to enter, because I'm not going to enter all of my followers, there's some that may not want to be entered. If you are a follower of mine and you want to be entered, comment down below under this video, "I follow," or "follower," what have you. I will put your name into the drawing. If you are not a follower but you want to be, then follow, and then let me know down in the comments that that is what you have done. I just want to thank all of my supporters. It seems to have taken forever to get to this point. I know that 200 is not even that many compared to so many other accounts, but I'm super proud. I am super proud, and couldn't be more happy. And I thank all of y'all that are already following me. It means more to me than you can know. Anyway, I hope y'all have a fabulous day, and I will see y'all soon. Take care. Bye.